Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here if you'd like to follow. Come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok, and everything is very, very girly, so come through. Today, I will be doing a fall wallpaper video. This was requested, and I'm so excited. I made them so cute. But first, I do really want to talk about Cook Unity. They sponsored this video and I'm so grateful, and they have delicious, delicious meals. I'll show you guys how cool their private chef meals are. And then we'll get back to the video. Thank you guys. Hey guys, I'm popping into this video from my kitchen to talk about Cook Unity, which is my favorite food brand. They basically send you personalized meals made from professional chefs from all around the world. Literally so cool. A plan that's tailored to your needs starting at $10.99. And there's no commitment either. You could reschedule and pause your subscription anytime. So all of the food is personalized to you and your tastes, and you get delicious and healthy meals. There are over 150 different options to get from Cook Unity. And they're cooked by professional chefs and delivered fresh. Did I mention the plan starts at $10.99 per meal for professional, like fulfilling, healthy chef meals, like amazing. And if you use my code, you get $50 off your first purchase, which means you get sent 4 professional chef meals for $4. Y'all better use this code. Cook Unity is different because it has over 150 different options from different chefs all over the world versus other food services only have a couple. I love that they have so many options. So I'm so excited to try the ones that they sent me right now. First of all, it comes in this huge, amazing bag. This is an insulated bag that keeps meals refrigerated for up to 8 hours, and it comes with ice inside and it's insulated. Okay, let me get the food from the fridge. I'm so excited. These are the meals I got. This fall, also love their branding, love the pastels. Definitely me. And as you can see, it tells you a lot of information. It tells you the calories, the protein, the fat, the carbs, oven instruction, microwave instructions, and all of the ingredients, and who it's crafted by, and the expiration date. And on the other side, it says their standards: no GMOs, nothing artificial, humanely raised, organic when possible, and cooked from scratch. It's different with each one. Like, this is beef bourguignon with egg noodles. I'm so excited for this one. Salmon with berry glaze. Oh my god. Right now, what am I in the mood for? It's like almost 3 p.m. so it's like lunch vibes right now. Honestly, I think I might try both of these because I'm really so curious. So let's honestly try both of them. Why not? Go big or go home. Try them. Have a good time. I'm just gonna do the microwave instructions because I'm a little lazy. These are literally made to be made super easily when you have like no time to cook, and these are actually healthy. You like a corner. Microwave for 1.5 to 3.5 minutes. And with the tilapia, same thing. You just remove sleeve and peel corner of it to vent, and then you microwave it, and there you go. I just took out this one from the microwave. My favorite thing about Cook Unity is that everything smells so good when it comes out of the microwave. It is like insane. It smells amazing, and I'm not a big like meat person, but like this smells good. This is so convenient and easy, and it's like fresh, and there's no bad ingredients in it, which is why I absolutely love this brand. Look at how good this looks. I really wish you guys could smell it because it smells amazing. I love that it says all the ingredients right here. Oh my god, I love the egg noodles. Oh my god, those are so soft. Oh my god, they just melt. They literally melt. And the beef is so soft. Like literally so soft. This melts in your mouth. This is so good. It literally just melts in your mouth. Oh my god. It's like, look at how soft the beef is. Oh my god. You know, for someone who can't really cook like this, I mean, obviously who could, it's a private professional chef. It's so amazing. Like, Cook Unity tastes so fresh. Okay, let's try the fish. I'm so excited. This is the tilapia. And as you can see, there also is a bunch of cauliflower in there. I love that. Like, yes, I'm gonna pour a little bit because I'm not a huge sauce person. Look at how soft this tilapia is. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, that sauce is so good with the tilapia. Like, I would have never put those two together. That is so good. Literally, I think only a private chef would make something this good because I could never. I personally love the tilapia more because I'm more of a fish person than a beef person, but this is literally feels like I'm going to a restaurant right now and I'm eating this from a restaurant. Every meal I've ever tried from Cook Unity is delicious, so make sure to check out the link below. Thank you, Cook Unity, for sending me these and sponsoring this video. I absolutely love them. Make sure to check this out. If you really don't have time to cook or you just, want to be bougie, check them out. Link is down below. Hey guys, so I'm so excited to get started on this fall wallpaper video. Right now I have a case on from Berga. It is a really chic New York City case. I feel like it is very nice. And we are going to get into my phone. I already put a little background up, but of course I want to decorate it and make it as me as possible. So we are going to get to that. So this is my Pinterest. If you guys want to come follow, that would be great. And also here's my Instagram, so come through. We are starting the fall feed strong, so yes. So in my Pinterest, I have a board called Fall Spirit. So we're gonna look through that and look at what would be good wallpapers. I love this one, so I definitely want to do something with this because it's so like bright and white and cute and lovely and dainty. It's adorable. And I actually do really love this one. Let's get started with this one first because of how adorable it is. Maybe I'll look up fall quotes or like autumn sayings. Maybe this. I really like the saying, autumn leaves and pumpkin, please. So I think maybe this would be a cute wallpaper to do that with. I also found this wallpaper, or actually probably this one. Okay, so I'm gonna go into PS Express, and then there's a text option. Autumn leaves and pumpkins, please. So maybe I'll make it a little transparent. Cool. Yeah, I kind of like this. Okay, great. Yes, this fits. Yay! Let's make it a little bit bigger. Look at how cute. Autumn leaves and pumpkins, please. Let's move on to the next wallpaper. Maybe I'll just do happy fall, y'all, because that's cute. Let's go into Niche, and I'm gonna go into my old templates. And let me see which wallpaper I'm feeling. I like this one, so let's do this one. And we'll put that here. And we'll get some font and we'll just literally put happy fall, y'all, and it'll be cute. So what's all of these orange marks? Maybe I'll put that here. Yeah, I'll put that there. Okay, cool. Oh, there's this. Oh, it's too like golden. I mean, it's too like bright. Like it was like glittery-ish. I think maybe there's already a lot going on in this photo. I think this is cute already. Let's see if we're gonna have to move it because sometimes it just doesn't come off the way you want it to on the wallpaper. Oh no, actually, yeah, I will want it smaller. Okay, great. Let's save. Okay, yes, this one's much cuter. It's like smaller and like more adorable. Yes, this is so cute. Literally, look at how cute this is. This one's gonna be my wallpaper. I love this one. This one's adorable. Oh my god. Okay, let's go to the last one. The last one is really pretty. I don't even know what I'm gonna add because it's just so gorgeous already. We will go to PS Express for this one. Okay, so this one I feel like should say something like elegant, but I think I love fall most of all. That's really cute, but I think I love fall most of all. I'm trying to move. I want it to be like smaller, but like this. I mean, this photo's already just gorgeous in general. I don't think you need to do anything here. Yes, look at how pretty. Oh my god. So pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you want any other type of wallpapers or like suggestions and stuff. Thank you guys for watching!